Hey guys, it's me, English teacher Matthew, and I'm back again with another video. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use the prepositions in, at, on, and to. So let's start by talking about in. In. In is used for parts of the day, such as in the morning, in the afternoon. We can also use in with months, in May, in October. With years, in the year 2000, in 2018. And we can also use in with seasons, in summer, in autumn. Now this is just for time, but we can also use in for places too, such as countries, in Brazil, in cities, in Budapest, and we can also use in for some public places, such as restaurant, I'm in the restaurant, or I'm in the park, for example. So that is in. The second word, the second preposition I want to talk about is at. At. Now, at we usually use for time. So we can say at 2 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, and so on. We can also use it for certain times of the day as well. So we can say at lunchtime, and we can say at night. And also for certain periods of the year. So for example, at Christmas, at Easter as well. Now we also use at with places as well. So you can say, I work at work. I am at home. Usually we use at with these two words, work and home. We don't say I'm in home. We don't say I'm in work. Usually we say I'm at work. I'm at home. Like this. The third word I want to talk about is on. Now when I think about on, I think of on top of something. You are on the top of something. So we use on mainly with days, on Monday, on Tuesday, but we can add the time of the day with the day. We can say on Monday afternoon, for example, on Tuesday evening. And the last word, the last preposition I want to talk about is to. To. Usually to is used because we use it to signify, to say to somebody that there is a movement. There is a movement. So we say, I go to the gym. I go to the cinema. Come to my home. Come to my home. We are at the restaurant. Come to the restaurant. Notice here I used at the restaurant. Before I told you in the restaurant. Sometimes we can use in and at to talk about that we're at a place. Usually public places. So thank you very much for watching my video today. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, then just leave them in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to see more lessons in the future. And just remember, keep practicing.